Hello everyone, welcome to Edurself. In this video, I quickly would like to show you how to use Web 2.0 sites. So the very first step is we have to create the account on any Web 2.0 sites. And here I have given the list of Web 2.0 sites. We can see WordPress, Blogger, Medium, Wix, Weebly, Tumblr and LiveJournal. Alright, we can make an use of any of these Web 2.0 sites. And once we have created the accounts in the respective Web 2.0 sites, all we have to do is we have to create the blog. And for example, for our website Click and Capture Studio, since the Click and Capture Studio website is all about wedding model and product photography, we have to write a blog maybe related to tips for wedding photography. Anybody who reads that blog, and then once we have placed the backlinks onto that particular blog, when people clicks on this backlink, what will happen? They will be redirected to our main website, which is Click and Capture Studio website. So now you understand, right, how we can use the Web 2.0 sites completely for free so that we can generate the traffic directly from the Web 2.0 websites like WordPress, Blogger, and we can drive the traffic from those Web 2.0 sites to our main website Click and Capture Studio. So what I'll be doing in this video, I quickly would like to navigate to the WordPress.com. Alright, and then I want to create a new account using the WordPress. Now quickly I want to open a new tab and then I want to navigate to Google and then I want to navigate to WordPress. Let me click on enter. It takes me to the page and here I want to navigate to the WordPress.com. Alright, once we enter into the WordPress, all we have to do is we have to click on the login. Now I want to click on login and then I want to make an use of my account, which is Google. So let me click on continue with Google. And then I want to choose my email and then I want to click on continue. And once it is done, it will take us to the WordPress website. And this is a very new website. So what we have to do, we have to add our site to the WordPress.com. So we have to click on add new site. And then we have to give the name like Click and Capture Studio.wordpress.com. Here we can see if we want to purchase new domains, there are few paid, like it is stating that free for the very first year, and right after the first year we have to pay 1809 per year. And when it comes to Click and Capture Studio.wordpress.com, it is going to be completely free. So that once we have created the account using Click and Capture Studio.wordpress.com, we have to click on select and then we can start writing the blogs, and that is our main perspective, right? So I want to click on continue and it is asking me to choose the flavor of WordPress. What I want to do, I want to choose the free option, so that I want to click on start with free, and we can create n number of posts, articles, and we can post n number of videos as well. It is asking me what would you like to do with Click and Capture Studio.wordpress.com, and our main perspective is we want to publish the blogs. And then I want to click on next. Now it takes me to this particular page so that we can pick the design. There are a lot of templates here and then we can start writing the blogs. Alright, so let me quickly open the notepad and then we have created the account on WordPress Web 2.0 site, right? So the very second step we have to do is we have to write the blog and then we have to place the backlinks onto the blog. And also I have did one of the video where we have created the blog for Click and Capture Studio, but it is a Web 2.0 site. So what I'll be doing in the next video, I will show you how we can create the blog inside the Web 2.0 site and how we can publish that. If you really find this video helpful, I want you to continue watching all my digital marketing videos. And by the way, if you're new to my channel, I want you to navigate to Edurself YouTube channel and find the playlist Digital Marketing, where I have did more than hundreds of videos and it's completely free. And also, if you want to learn digital marketing from me, all you have to do is you have to navigate to edurself.in so that you will be landed on my website. And from my website, all you have to do is you have to click on for paid classes, or maybe you can directly click on store options so that you will be landed directly on my page, where you can click on select your course from the below list. Maybe if you are a student, you can choose this. If you are a housewife, you can choose this. Or even if you want to learn one-on-one digital marketing training, you can select this option and you can enroll in the digital marketing classes. And if you do not have any money, that's completely alright. You can directly click on 2025 digital marketing full playlist so that you will be landed on my YouTube digital marketing playlist, which is completely free. I hope you are loving my videos and I'll see you in the next video where I will show you how we can create the blog in the Web 2.0 site. Thank you so much.